So here we got a Volkswagen Passat, bought off Copart, and basically it's had a slight front end, and if you have a look over here, the wheel's a bit bent, but put a new wing on. And if you look down here, the panel seems to be broken, just the top of there, and it doesn't seem like any else damaged. Everything else seems good. Leg seems straight. So what I've done is, if it was a little bit, I probably would have left it, but it's pretty on both sides. If you have a look over here on the side, underneath, basically, if you look, panel seems to be good. Everything else this side is fine. So basically it's a executive style DSG. Pretty decent loaded. So got a new part here, Prasco. Got it off eBay, £70, £72 or something. So I'm just gonna see how long it takes me to replace this. I don't see it being too long, but let's see how it all goes.